Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to test out this stainless steel garden hose. It's 25 feet advanced design. The last hose you will ever buy. This is in the box. We got a beautiful, nice nozzle right here. Got about at least 10 different patterns you could choose. You just turn it, squeeze, good squeeze. You could put it right here to leave it running. Comes with a lot more of the rubber washer. It's really lightweight. It's very light. What I like about it, really good quality. The quality is outstanding. If you ever know about the BX wire, it looks like it right here. Really good quality. Nice rubber right here. We're going to screw this on and hook this up and put it to the test. So we got it hooked up. You can see it right there. Wow. So we got a little mist there. Shower. Good pressure, man. Let's go flat. Nice. So this is good for washing your car. This is full. You can see the pressure. Really good pressure. See that? I like this. This is a good hose. And then we want to do water a plant. Shower. Look at that. Really good hose right there. I like it. It's a nice, easy handle nozzle. Look at that. Man, this is nice. I'm actually more impressed about this hose. This hose is good. And it'll last you for a lifetime, long time. So how can we go wrong with this? Check in the description box for price and detail. I gotta tell you, for 25 feet hose is pretty good. It's definitely look like a BX wire, but it's stainless steel. You cannot lose the handle. It's orange, it's bright, it's beautiful. It's a solid plastic. It's a better plastic than my other one. So this is a big plus. All right, so if you're looking for a good garden hose, long-lasting one, check in the description box for price and details. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. 100% free. I appreciate you guys.